What's the meaning of Charlie Bird Parker? Charlie Bird Parker. Charlie Bird Parker.
Charlie Bird Parker. Charlie Bird Parker. Charlie Bird Parker was an American jazz saxophonist and composer. He is widely regarded as one of the most important and influential musicians in the history of jazz. His nickname Bird came from his love for birds and also his ability to play runs at lightning-fast speeds, mimicking the birds' chirping sounds. Parker's innovative playing style paved the way for bebop, a new style of jazz that emphasized improvisation and complex harmonies. Despite his short life, he left an indelible mark on the world of music and continues to inspire new generations of jazz musicians.